Connected Worker Solution is a unified digital platform for operations and maintenance, frontline workforce to seamlessly collaborate with each other and execute operations effectively. It enhances safety, increases reliability, improves productivity, and increases speed of execution.
Let's have a look at the solution components. Streamlining maintenance, maximizing uptime, and keeping operations running smoothly. Fully digital and centralized permit workflows. Easy tool to review and authorize LOTO requests, isolate and restore equipment with full control and recorded insights. Efficient permit management for safety interlock bypass. Convenient digital logbooks with data visualization and reports. Enhance safety, drive efficiency, together. Connected Worker by Jaaji. See it in action.